Welcome back to Blackwater Tech. Today I'm going to show you how to service the flow stop. You can see this one's in a particularly bad condition. It's very stiff to move and it doesn't take long before they lose their smoothness. So what we need to do is to take it apart. You can see down there you've got room for an Allen key. So I'm just going to put that in like so, and then you can see here we can grip that. It's a 14mm spanner, or you can just use an adjustable on there and that will take that off. Okay, now this was left on for a long time, so this actually got stuck with the 17mm nut, so they've had to use some grips to get it off, and it's taken some of the chrome plating away. So I'm just going to unscrew that. Okay, you can see that's quite dirty. We're going to take this O-ring off, and this is going to go in an ultrasonic cleaner. Then we need to take the slider off. So the slider here, what you can see is there's a thick piece here as opposed to there. So this needs to be at the bottom towards this part, because when you slide it down towards you underwater, this gives you gas, and when you push it back, it activates the flow stop. If you put this on back to front, it will work in reverse, so it's important that you put it back together the correct way. So I'm just going to take the slider off, and there's 3 O-rings in there, and then we have what's called the flow stop bobbin, and you can see that's quite tight. It's been in there a while, and that's actually quite tricky to get out. So I'm just going to try and prise that out, something a bit firmer. Okay. Let's see if we can get in there. There we go. Yeah, so look at that. Quite dirty. So I'm just going to take that off, wash it in warm soapy water. Now these O-rings here, 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 and the 3 in there are all part of the JJ service kit. So I'll get that in the ultrasonic, and just while that's going I can clean those up. Okay. Alright, so once again I'm always trying to keep them in the right order. So one there, one there. Okay, so I'll get that cleaned up. Okay, and you see there that's quite dirty, so the first one that comes out, one on the other end. These 2 are quite, well, relatively easy to get back in, but there's one here which is about there. Now trying to get these back in afterwards can be a real job. Sometimes you're lucky, it takes a couple of minutes, other times it takes maybe 10 minutes or more. Okay, so I'm just going to get those all cleaned up, and then we can reassemble in a minute. Okay, so now I'm ready to reassemble the flow stop. So I'm going to start with the bobbin and the bobbin O-rings. So once again, silicone grease. Okay, that's one. This one, okay. A connection in there. Okay. Right, the tricky part is getting these 3 O-rings back in there. So if they're very slippery, it's very hard to do. So you can see I just put one edge in using, and now I'm going to come up from behind and just, it's actually gone down into the middle one, which might be a blessing in disguise, because that's the hardest one, is to get the middle. So I'm just pushing it down. There, pure luck. Sometimes that takes 10 minutes or so. So I've got the middle one in. Very lucky. Next one, just squashing it in like so. That's popped in straight away. Looks like it's my lucky day. And that one's in there. So you can just have a look down. Okay, so remember what we said. This wider edge here needs to be on there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wipe some grease all around this. Now it gradually gets stiffer and stiffer. You don't know how stiff it's become until you look at someone's or play with someone who's just serviced theirs or a new one. So I'm putting grease on there because that will help the slide, and that's much better than it was before. Okay, so that's in the right end. Okay, I'm going to put this end back on. Push that back, Allen key in there just to hold it still, a little nip tight, yep, and then the bobbin, it can only go in one way, the fat end doesn't go in, so small end in there, and then it's ready to go back on the LPI hose. So there you go, perfect. Okay, thanks for watching. Once again, if you like my videos, you found it useful, interesting, leave a comment, subscribe, tell your friends, and I'll see you soon with some more JJ maintenance.